Good evening traders and Assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trader and UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm gonna do the forecasting of all GBP pairs. Before we start, guys, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. And the second thing is, guys, Fed rates of USD is gonna come upcoming week, so please make sure this whenever you trade very safely, because we are expecting high volatility in the market on 31st of July 2019. So guys, please trade safely. Yeah, let's start with GBPJPY. As you can see, guys, it's already crossed one of my support. So and the trend, when the market closed, the trend was down as well. So I'm expecting GBPJPY to come at least this support level, and I will wait for the confirmation, and I'm gonna definitely buy GBPJPY. And when it will reach to that level, then again we will see if we will get this kind of movement. Yeah, so then it will go to, and if it will break out, it will go to this resistance. But if it will come to that level and it will go up and make these kind of cycles, so then it will come down again. So we will see how GBPJPY react when market open. So we will trade according to that. Let's move to GBPUSD. As soon as the market open, I'm gonna definitely buy GBP. It's already break this support level. It's already break this support level, as you can see, guys. But as you can see, it's respecting the new support level. If you see this candle is open here, come down, and it will go up again. So I am expecting this same kind of moment again. So what I'm gonna do, whenever the market open, I'm gonna buy this and I will wait here. I will see if it will cross here, and I will get this movement, and I am definitely gonna buy again, because I'm expecting GBP USD to come at least this level. On this level we will see what we need to do more. So for next coming week, I'm expecting GBP USD to go up. So if you want to take trades, you can definitely take this trade, and I'm with you guys. So you can, as soon as the market open, you can buy GBP USD. Let's move to GBP New Zealand. Yeah, GBP New Zealand is touch one of resistance level. As you can see, the red lines are my resistance level. So it's already touched one of resistance level. So we will see if we get this movement. Yeah, so we will see how GBP New Zealand, then it will come down to this support level, and then it will go up. But as I am expecting GBP will go up, and New Zealand is gonna strong in upcoming week, so the GBP New Zealand is gonna make slide. It will go up because of GBP will go up, but it will come down as well because New Zealand will go up. So probably I will not trade in GBP New Zealand to upcoming week, because it's a bit risky. That's the only reason I'm not gonna trade. Let's move to GBPCHF. Yeah, GBPCHF. I want to buy GBPCHF for a long time, but for this week I'm expecting GBPCHF to come a little bit down, at least this level or this level, then it will go up at least my weekly or my daily support. In the long term, it will go up. Right now it's on about 1.2297 or 1.23 right now. I'm expecting this pair to go up at least 1.30. It's about 700 pips straight, but it's not gonna happen in one day. So it will take time, and the Brexit is gonna happen as well in future. So we will wait and we will trade short term in GBPCHF. Let's move to GBPCAD. Yep, GBPCAD is already broke my one of my key support. So it's already broken this support. So now I'm expecting GBPCAD to come at least this level, or I will have a look what kind of movement I will get. If I get this kind of movement, if I get the confirmation, then I'm gonna buy GBPCAD, and we will see this level as well. If it's, as you can see, this is the very key level. Expect this level and come down again. So if GBPCAD broke this level, my next target will be this and then this. So that's it, guys. That's the GBP pairs forecasting. Guys, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like my video. If you have any kind of question, you can comment. If you want to contact me, you can join my Telegram channel. There is a link in the description, so you can contact me on my Telegram channel as well at UK Pro Traders. Okay, here you go, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye.